Hi, I'm Mona London with Homes by London, RXV Realty. Today we are on top of the world at 19639 Snowden Place in Mount Vernon, Washington. Let's go inside. Welcome inside. Let me take you on a tour. The home is just shy of 5,000 square feet. Magnificent staircase going to an upper level. Here we've got views upon views. When I told you we were on top of the world, I meant it. Past me, feast your eyes on Whidbey Island, Camano Island, the Olympic Mountains, and of course the magnificent Sound. Now we'll take you into the wide open space that leads to your kitchen, dining room. We also have a formal dining room that we'll show you later. This room has been used by these current owners for almost 100 people in one party. They told me it just lent itself to everything fantastic as far as a party would go. This massive kitchen with gorgeous dark green granite, double-sized refrigerator. You have your ovens and a 10-foot pantry. No matter where you are in this home, you have spectacular views, 180-degree views across the entire expanse of this home. And here we do have an entry to a powder room and the first floor laundry room. Continuing this way, we have a beautiful dining area in case you'd like to be more formal. And of course, a first floor bedroom with, once again, all the views. Off the back deck, 10 acres and rolling green hills. Let's check it out. Let's go check out the upstairs. This huge loft area is currently being used as an office. I think we could put a pool table here too. A wide open catwalk bridge takes you over to the other side of the home where you'll find your master. And also a third bedroom. Third powder room, and master behind French doors. The master ensuite also has 2 closets. Come on in. With private WC. This home also has an apartment with its own separate entrance. It is fully equipped with kitchen and its own beautiful powder room. Behind me is the bedroom. And of course, the views. Here we are out front again, in front of the entrance to the private apartment. There's a couple things I want to show you outside as well, including, near and dear to my heart, a big red barn. The big red barn has 200 amp panel and full cement floors. Bring your vehicles, because there's 3-car garage. Thank Thank you for visiting 19639 Snowden Lane. Come and make it your own.